Life Science, Paper 2, Year 2014. Question number 1. Cell membrane damage causes cell death because the cell contents leak out. Question number 2. The natural death of a neuron is due to accumulation of residual bodies. Question number 3. Acid fast staining characteristic of mycobacteria appears to be due to which of the following cell wall constituents? Mycolic acid. Question number 4. An important subunit vaccine is pertussis vaccine. Question number 5. Which of these statements is correct? Endoplasmic reticulum is found only in eukaryotic cells. This statement is correct. Question number 6. Nanoarchaeum equitans is it is an archibacterium. It is an archibacterium. Bacterium is a singular and bacteria is a plural. So archibacteria or archibacterium. Question number 7. The largest bacterium is Hyomargarita. Question number 8. Hexokinase cannot phosphorylate galactose. That means it can phosphorylate glucose, it can phosphorylate fructose, and hexokinase can also phosphorylate mannose, but it cannot phosphorylate galactose. Question number 9. Long chain fatty acids are first catabolized in mitochondria. Question number 10. Synthesis of thromboxane A2 is inhibited by aspirin. Question number 11. A carbonated drink of pH 3 is how many times more acidic than distilled water? It is 10,000 times more acidic than distilled water. Question number 12. The lipid lacking fatty acids is cholesterol. Question number 13. The cofactor of oxidoreductase responsible for transmitting electrons to photosystem 1 during photosynthesis is. Again, I am repeating the question. The cofactor of oxidoreductase responsible for transmitting electrons to photosystem 1, that means PS1 P700, during photosynthesis is. Plastocyanin or plastocyanin. Question number 14. An enzyme facilitates chemical reaction by lowering the activation energy of the reaction. Question number 15. Which of the following is involved at substrate level phosphorylation? Pyruvate kinase. Question number 16. Proteins are separated by SDS page on the basis of mass. Vitamin K is important for blood coagulation because it acts as a cofactor for enzyme co-carboxylane. So vitamin K is important for blood coagulation because it acts as a cofactor for enzyme co-carboxylase. Question number 18. Auxin increases plasticity of cell wall. Question number 19. Helicobacter pylori uses urease to counteract a chemical defense in human organ in which it lives. This chemical defense is, again I am repeating the question, Helicobacter pylori uses urease to counteract a chemical defense in human organ in which it lives. This chemical defense is HCl, hydrochloric acid. Question number 20. Excitable membranes have an abundance of ion channels. Question number 21. Which of the following tissues converts pyruvate to lactate very efficiently? Muscle. Question number 22. To attract the symbiotic bacteria in the rhizosphere, plants secrete flavonoids. Question number 23. The multiplication of vegetative cells in Schizosaccharomyces pombe is by fission. This is the only yeast in which they multiplicate asexually with the help of the process binary fission. All other yeast perform budding. Question number 24. Post-zygotic meiosis is common in mosses. Question number 25. Ovotestes are found in phyla. It is also called apple snail. Question number 26. In which one of these animals asexual reproduction is common? Honeybee. Question number 27. Which of the following is cryoprotector? Glycerol. Question number 28. DNA in eukaryotic chromosomes is associated with histone. Question number 29. How many phenotypes can be seen in the progeny of trihybrid cross? 8 phenotypes. Question number 30. Which histone maintains the integrity of nucleosome? H1. Question number 31. In plants, the maternal influence in extranuclear inheritance owes to chloroplast. Question number 32. If the frequency of double crossover is more for two genes, then they are very far from one another. Question number 33. Restriction enzymes were first discovered with the observation phage DNA is destroyed in a host cell. Question number 34. Who discovered jumping genes in maize? It's Barbara McClintock. Question number 35. First life originated on Earth 3.5 billion years ago. Question number 36. Gases in the atmosphere of Earth at the time when life began were highly reducing type. Question number 37. Teleomorph of Fusarium moniliform is Gibberella. Question number 38. Who had provided strong evidences against the theory of spontaneous generation of life? Louis Pasteur. Remember friends, Louis Pasteur is not the father of microbiology. Father of microbiology is Anton van Leeuwenhoek. Question number 39. BOD is an index of amount of organic matter. Biological oxygen demand is an index of amount of organic matter. Organic matter is high, BOD will be also high. Question number 40. Minamata disease is due to pollution of water by M for Minamata and M for mercury. Question number 41. Ozone layer of Earth's atmosphere is damaged by CFC, chlorofluorocarbon. Question number 42. Which of the following reactions is an oxidation carried out by acidithiobacillus ferroxidans? Conversion of ferrous to ferric, Fe2 plus 2, Fe3 plus. Question number 43. Binomial nomenclature was first proposed by Linnaeus. Question number 44. Vinca rosea weed is a source for a drug for treatment of all types of cancer. Question number 45. The most common technique used for preserving microbial culture is lyophilization. Question number 46. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum in retinal cells is called myeloid bodies. Question number 47. Which is often added to wine to inhibit the growth of microbial populations of grape? SO2, sulfur dioxide. Question number 48. A fiber of commercial importance is derived from epidermis. That fiber is cotton. Question number 49. Conversion of ammonia into nitrate is called nitrification. NH3 to NO3. NO2 is nitrite. Last question, question number 50 for paper 2. Colchicine is obtained from which part of the plant? Colchicum autumnale. It's corm. It's corm. Not corn, but it's corm. So that's all for today's episode. Take care and have a nice day.